Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Wealthfront to your linked bank account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw from Wealthfront to your linked bank account, start by logging into your Wealthfront account on the app. Navigate to the cash accounts section of your dashboard. Here, you will find the option to withdraw funds. Click on the withdraw button to initiate the process. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure that this amount does not exceed your available balance. Next, select your linked bank account from the drop-down menu. Confirm that this is the correct account for your withdrawal. After reviewing the details, click on the Continue button. You may be prompted to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, confirm the withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been submitted. Funds typically take a few business days to appear in your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account for the transaction confirmation. If you encounter any issues, refer to Wealthfront's customer support for assistance. Always ensure that your bank account information is up to date to avoid any delays. That's it. You've successfully withdrawn funds from Wealthfront to your linked bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.